5 tips to minimize cleaning costs. Busy office hours coupled with the overwhelming task of running a business make cleaning extra cumbersome for you and your staff. Hence the need to hire a professional cleaning company to help you protect your brand image by keeping the building clean at all times. Granted, the cost may be discouraging, but you can always minimize cleaning costs and still keep your facility looking squeaky clean at all times. How? Watch and learn on how you can enjoy the peace and sanity of having your space thoroughly cleaned by professionals without eating deep into your profit. Of course, we will leave you with a bonus tip at the end of this video. So, keep watching. Number 1. Only purchase quality products. You may be tempted to go for low-quality cleaning products to save cost. But this only ends up making you spend more in the long run, as you will have to replace them sooner than expected. Also, low-quality products will most likely leave the job poorly done, which would require the cleaning team to come back more frequently, causing them to work harder and for longer periods, ultimately costing you more. On the other hand, having the appropriate cleaning products and equipment makes the work less tedious and more efficient. Number 2. Do pre-cleaning. Yes, the cleaning team will eventually come to do professional cleaning, however, you can minimize cleaning costs and time by cleaning out the little places you can before they arrive. Cleaning companies are paid hourly. That means the more hours they spend cleaning, the more you pay. You can significantly reduce the number of hours the cleaning team would have to clean by teaching your staff to clear their desk, clean out small areas, and rubbish before they arrive. Number 3. Buy in large quantity. Shopping in bulk has always been the better choice. There is no need to buy in small quantities if you know you will continue to use the cleaning product. Rather than purchasing one at a time, you should do a bulk purchase to get them at a cheaper rate, since most retail shops typically offer discounts on bulk products. Number 4. Use multipurpose products. Buying cleaning products for individual purposes can eat a large chunk of your profit and make the cost of cleaning expensive. Unless there's a dire need for a special kind of product, we encourage you to go for cleaning products that serve multiple purposes when buying cleaning supplies. For example, some brushes can clean both the floor and windows, so you don't necessarily have to buy them separately. Number 5. Stick with one cleaning company. Do you know you can minimize cleaning costs by maintaining a good relationship with a particular cleaning company and sticking with them for as long as possible? Yes, you can. Most companies give discounts to returning and loyal customers, thus helping you save a few bucks on every appointment. Additionally, be sure to check if the company gives incentives for referrals. If they do, you can refer your friends to get these incentives and reduce the cost of your next cleaning appointment. Finally, here is your bonus tip. Prioritize green cleaning. In case no one told you yet, green cleaning is smart cleaning. Eco-friendly products are often cheaper and easier to get. They help you spend less on energy and water bills, while also giving you a safer working environment. Lack of chemicals also means you won't be spending some extra pounds to replace damaged floors and furniture anytime soon. Even better, no chemical injuries to staff and customers. Conclusively, you will agree that hiring a professional cleaning company can be cheaper if you know how to minimize cleaning costs. Professional cleaning companies offer too many advantages to ignore. Save yourself the trouble by working with a reliable company that actually cares about your business. At FastKlean, we are committed to helping your business grow. For professional assistance, don't hesitate to contact FastKlean. We are here to help. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.